Hello everyone, my name is Shai. I am the owner of My World of Curls on Instagram and now here on YouTube, and today I am here with a Bath and Body Works haul. So I'm gonna let the intro play and then we're gonna get right into everything that I got from Bath and Body Works. Alright guys, so welcome back from the intro. Today I have a Bath and Body Works haul. It's a lot of Wallflowers, but there's also some Bodycare and some candles in there. So let's get straight into it because I bought a lot of stuff. So what triggered this haul, well, part of it is that I had a coupon in the app for a Wallflower, so I picked up a Wallflower. This is the Wallflower plug I picked. It was like you could pick a Wallflower plug up to $7.95, and the only ones that are $7.95 are the ones without scent control that look pretty basic. So I decided to pick a basic one up to try it out because I wanted to see like if it was worth me purchasing any more. So I picked this one up, and the first place I had it was in my bedroom, and I really liked it. And then there was a sale for Wallflowers, so I decided to get more since I did like it. The first scent I picked up is Laundry Day, which it's a very like fresh laundry, fresh cotton scent. And yeah, at first I had it in my room. Then when I bought the other Wallflowers that I'm going to show you, I moved this to the bathroom. And yeah, that's what triggered this whole haul to begin with. So then when I was there, I decided to pick up 2 more Wallflowers because I wanted to have one for my living room and one for my bedroom. And I decided to pick both of these up, which these are 2 Wallflower plugins. They both have scent control, which is like when you could you press the button on the side and there's like level. It's like low, medium, and high, and you get to pick how much of the scent is released into the air. But I picked up this one, and I have this one in my living room because I live with 2 guys. I live with my boyfriend and his roommate, and so you know, it's a very man cave type of feel. Not man cave, you know, obviously I live here, obviously we all live in conjunction, but I don't want to pick out things that are too girly because I do live with 2 guys, so I have to be cautious of the fact that I live with 2 guys and I don't want things to be too girly. So I picked this one up and I keep this in the living room. Our couch is brown, so it like goes perfect, and I just thought this was like a sleek, basic, simple design that can be unisex. Here, the scent that I have for the living room is Cozy Cashmere. It smells a little girly, but it's not over the top. Like, it smells really good. It also smells like a laundry scent, but more like a little bit more feminine and a little bit more like perfumey, I would say. So yeah, that's the scent that I have here. And then this is the Wallflower plug I picked for my room. Like I said, it has scent control, so I'm able to control how much scent I want it to go out in the air. But here I have Marshmellow Fireside. Or is it Marshmellow Fireside? I think it is Marshmellow Fireside, but it smells amazing. It's like a vanilla, it smells amazing. It's like a vanilla based scent, and I really like it. It's really good. These last a while. Like, I want to say they last like I've had the Laundry Day one for a while. This one, I guess it gets used up less because you can't control the scent. So I've had this one for like a month now, and look at where it's at. Like, so a Wallflower lasts you like 2 months, which is not that bad. And I already love the scents from Bath and Body Works, so to have these is kind of convenient, as well as I'm kind of pushing a little bit less towards candles and more towards Wallflowers, because you can have them on 24/7. You could control the scent. The Wallflowers are a little bit more affordable than a candle, and usually when I pick up a candle, I pick up single wicks because I get tired of scents quick. But those are the Wallflower plugins I got, and those are the plugins that are attached to those. But I also picked up a bunch of other ones, so I'm going to show you the other ones that I pick up that I intend to use in the future. So first we have Sunrise Woods. This is what it looks like. It says that the scent is fresh and relaxing, and the notes are creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, cozy cashmere. So I think this is like a girlier scent than the other ones I've had. But yes, I picked up that Wallflower. They were like I think they were selling them for like $3.50, so that's why I picked up so many. Then I have Mahogany Vanilla, and it says it's warm and comforting, and the scent notes are warm vanilla, fresh bergamot, and sweet sandalwood. I think this is a really good unisex scent that has like a little bit of sweet in it, so that's why I picked it up, because like I said, I live with 2 guys. I don't want it to smell like strawberry shortcake or something when you walk in, but I want to have a nice sweet scent. So this is like a good unisex scent with a little bit of sweet. Then we have Autumn Woods, which it says it's warm and comforting. This one has scents of dark walnut, English lavender, and white amber. I think this is more of like a fresh scent. Like it's autumn woods. You really do get that woodsy vibe from it. So I think it's like a good like pine scent when you want something different, because I don't want to smell the same things over and over. So, and I don't really like pine scents too much, but this one has a little bit of pine in it with like other things in it like lavender. So I thought it would be a good scent to pick up. So that's Autumn Woods. Then I got Crisp Morning Air. This one says it's fresh and relaxing. I intend to use this one in my bathroom because it smells fresh, and in the bathroom I think having fresh scents is the way to go. So this one, fresh pine, juniper, juicy berry. I did really like this one. This is like a really good, like when I smelled this, I was like, yeah, this needs to go in my bathroom, because it's like a really good fresh scent, and that's like the type of scents I want to have in my bathroom. So there's that one. Then I got some Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint, and it says it's fresh and relaxing. I guess like towards the winter, I used to buy a lot of like relaxing scents when I was going through finals, but I'm not in school anymore. But if there's ever that time where I feel like I want to smell something that's gonna like de-stress me a little bit, I can use this. And obviously it has notes of eucalyptus and spearmint, so it smells very earthy, very relaxing. So yeah, pick that one up. Then I got, this is I think the only Halloween scent I got, and it's Wicked Vanilla Woods, and it has notes of magical vanilla, glowing amberwood, enchanted, pink pepper. This kind of reminds me of the Marshmellow Fireside, but it smells a little different. I can't pinpoint exactly what smells different, but I think the Marshmellow Fireside smells a little bit more like vanilla-y, more like gourmand, like more edible. And this one, it kind of smells more like perfumey. So this is like the only Halloween scent I picked up, but we're gonna use this in October to get into the spirit. And then here I have Sweater Weather. Sweater Weather is one of my staple scents. And you're gonna notice because I'm gonna mention Sweater Weather a lot. It reminds me a lot of fall. This is one of the first candles I fell in love with. And I love this scent because it's a very unisex scent. It's not like a big, sweet, feminine scent. So the fact that it's my favorite scent is a little crazy, but it has notes of fresh sage, juniper berries, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. It just smells so good to me. Like, I actually love it. And it says it's fresh and relaxing, and I could see it. But yeah, this scent reminds me of fall, so of course I had to pick up Sweater Weather. Then I have Autumn. I smelled this scent in the store and I really liked it, so I decided to pick it up. It's Gala Apple, Juicy Fig, Eucalyptus Leaf, and Fir Blossom. I think this is a really good fresh scent, but it also has apples in it, so it's like fresh and fruity, and it's not really the scent I would go towards, but I did really like this one, so I decided to pick it up because it was only $3. Why not? Then we have a classic here, which is Leaves. I always pick this up in a candle, so decided to pick it up in a Wallflower to see if it goes well. And this has notes of crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove, spices. This is a good apple and spice scent, but it has something else in there. I guess it's the golden nectar. It has something else in there that adds like a different type of vibe to it. Then last but not least, Wallflower wise, I have Palo Santo and Sage. It's warm and comforting. I really like the smell of Palo Santo, So when I smelled this, I was like, yeah. So it has clary sage, Palo Santo, and amber woods. It literally smells like you lit like a Palo Santo incense and went around your house and staged your house. Like, it smells good. So I decided to pick that up. That's it for Wallflowers. Now we're gonna get a little bit into body care and candles. So the first body care that I got like a free coupon after I did this haul with the Wallflowers, so I decided to use it up on this body cream because this is, you know, they came out with a whole new fall collection, and when they had that body cream sale, I wanted to pick up the fall collection, but they didn't have that one in the store that I went to, and I was pissed. But since I got a free thing, now the store has a fall collection, so I decided to pick up Sweater Weather in a body cream, and this has different notes from the home care, so that's something that you should know. It doesn't smell exactly like the home care, which I get why, because it's a very unisex scent, so it's like you wouldn't know if it was for guys or girls. So the scent notes for the cream is sun-kissed apple, autumn leaves, and orchid woods. I think it still smells really fall-y, but it smells like a fall scent you would want to wear in body care, because I think I wouldn't really want to wear Sweater Weather in a body cream. So it's a good thing that they switched it up, but this is one of the ones that I was eager to pick up, and I did. And then we have two more things. When they had the body butters on sale, I decided to pick up Together Weather, which I really wanted this scent. It smells so good. It kind of reminds me of like blush cardigan, but like with a mix of cozy cashmere. Like if cozy cashmere and what's that scent I said? Blush cardigan had a baby. That's what this smells like to me. And it just looks really girly. It's like a really feminine light scent. And the notes are blushing breeze, sugared cardamom, and soft cedar. And I got this in a body butter because it was on sale, which I think I do like the Bath and Body Works body butters. I have a couple, so I didn't have a problem with that. And then I also picked up this Together Weather foaming sugar body scrub because I did like the scent, and they had a body scrub, so why not? Right, so that is it for body care when it comes to Bath and Body Works. But then I also picked up two candles because they had the single wick candle sale, and there's two candles that I really like in the fall collection. I feel like the fall collection is a collection that always gets me, to be very honest, because I absolutely love all their fall scents. So the first one I picked up was Sweater Weather, of course, a staple. It smells so good. I can't wait to burn it. So sometimes, you know, I like to have the Wallflowers, but I do think that sometimes it's good to light a candle. For example, when you cook, after you clean, things like that. Sometimes you just want to burn a candle, like to get kind of the scent more. But I like to have the Wallflowers so that when you initially walk in my house or anything, like I want to upkeep the scent, I use the Wallflowers for that. But from time to time, I do think I'll burn like my candle. I'll burn my candle when I need to. But like I said, I'm trying to move a little bit towards the Wallflowers more. But having like a single wick candle here and there is not going to harm me. I just wouldn't purchase a 3 wicks. The 3 wicks take forever to finish. But the scents are juniper berries, fresh sage, and eucalyptus for Sweater Weather. And I picked that up in the body cream, in the candle, and in the Wallflowers. So that should speak for itself. And then I also got Leaves, which like I said is golden nectar, red apple, and clove spice. And it smells so good. So those are the two single wick candles I picked up. I try to control myself as much as I could. And I have a haul from a beauty company that I purchased, but it's small. I only bought a couple things. They're going out of business, so they had like a sale, and when I saw they had the sale, I was like, let me pick it up because they had setting sprays on sale, and I heard that the setting sprays are pretty good. So that's PYT Beauty. So I picked up 2 of their one and done setting sprays, which these are pretty big. I think the cap is coming off of this one. Hopefully that goes back on. But this is the one and done setting spray. It fights pollution and blue light, so that's good to know. And it's actually like clean beauty, so that's good that it's also clean beauty. And yeah, I heard some good things about this. This has a couple things in it, like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ylang ylang oil, aloe leaf juice. So it has like a couple good things in there, and I'm excited to try that. I think I only paid like $10. Yeah, because it was 70% off, and typically they're like $20. So I don't know, do the math. You do the math, because I don't feel like it. But I picked up 2 of those, and these are actually pretty big. They're 3.38 fluid ounces. So yeah, that's 2 setting sprays I got by PYT. And the last thing I picked up from there is this Me Lipgloss from PYT. Let me see if I can see the shade. I think the shade is Enchanted, and it looks like this. It's like a soft pink, and I thought it was cute. Yeah, the shade is called Enchanted, but it's a soft pink. It's really cute. And yeah, that concludes my haul. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you like any of the stuff that you saw during my haul, or if there's any scents that you think I should try with the wallflowers in particular, because I'm new to them, there's some scents that are stronger than others, you can give me some suggestions down below. If there's any body care you think I should try, let me know down below. If you liked any of the stuff that I mentioned, leave a comment down below. And if you like videos like this, please give this video a like so that I know and I'm able to provide more content like this for you guys. And subscribe to my channel. I will see you next video.